after I left Pressbooks, they made a very cool thing called Pressbooks Directory. Now this is a great place to find high quality OER for use in your classroom. So let's say I teach a marketing class and I'm going to look for a marketing textbook. I just type in my topic and search. But now let's say I want to narrow these down to books that have interactive H5P activities in them. I can do that simply by going to H5P activities, entering a minimum number of activities, and then clicking go. Now I'm only seeing the books that have the activities. I can also see the activities for a book all in one place by clicking on the number of activities for a given book. Now here is the H5P activities list for that book. So I might look at some of these activities, for instance this PPC math exercise, and say show activity. And then I can see that this is a 5-part activity, and then I could play through this activity myself. And let's say I decide to use this, to reuse it. I can click the reuse button to download the H5P file if I'd like to upload that to my own H5P instance, or I could simply click embed to embed. I can also see the rights of use, which will usually come over with the activity itself.